everyone present here. I am Prakash Ghosh and this is my teammate Shahada Das. We are from DAV Model School Durgapur, West Bengal region. Today we are going to explain our project named AI based pH estimator. Now I will request my teammate Shahada Das to carry on with the explanation.
Let's begin on to the next slide. So first of all, let's start with a short story before coming to the next important topic. It was a hot, humid afternoon in the late September. Rohan sat at the kitchen table, watching his grandfather carefully massage his aching joints. For months, his grandfather has been complaining of fatigue, sudden skin irritation, and chronic acidity. The local doctors suggested that it could be related to long-term systematic imbalances hidden inside his body fluids, heavily influenced by daily hydration habits and subtle shifts in food intake. Can't we just measure his health balance at home before things get bad? Rohan asked his mother. She sighed, pointing out that checking these deeper psychological balances required painful expenses, blood extraction at a distant diagnostic laboratory. That evening, looking at his computer monitor, an idea sparked in Rohan's mind. What if we didn't need needles or expensive chemical reagents to get an early warning? What if the ordinary health vitals we can easily measure, like body temperature, age, and blood pressure, carried hidden mathematical footprints of our inner pH balance? With his microcontrollers boards on the desk and Google AI Studio open on his screen, Rohan set out to build a non-invasive digital shield. He named it as pH Guardian, and intelligent framework designed to protect health, track hydration, and forecast body fluid trends without a single drop of blood.
Now let us begin with the introduction. The pH level of the human body is a vital indicator of overall health, where even small imbalances can affect normal biological functions. Conventional methods for measuring pH rely on laboratory tests, which are often time consuming, costly, and not easily accessible to everyone. Therefore, there is a need for a fast, affordable, and user friendly solution, which this project addresses using an AI based approach for quick pH estimation.
Now let us discuss about the objective and future aspects of our project. To design and develop an AI-based system for estimating the body pH, to use commonly measurable parameters such as the temperature and glucose level to provide quick and approximate results for preliminary health analysis, to create a user-friendly interface that can be used by anyone, to demonstrate the real-world application of artificial intelligence in healthcare. Let us proceed to the input parameters required for our project to determine the pH level accurately. So the first input parameter is the body temperature. It helps to indicate the metabolic activity and possible infections. Secondly, blood pressure reflects the cardiovascular health and internal balance. Age group helps in adjusting predictions based on psychological differences. Then glucose level plays a key role in metabolism and affects body chemistry. These inputs are selected because they are easy to obtain and influence the body internal environment. Now let us proceed to the technologies used in our project. First of all, we have used artificial intelligence (AI) used to stimulate human-like decision-making ability. Then we have used machine learning or ML, which enables the system to learn patterns from different data and proper predictions. Web development tools used to create an interactive user interface. API integration connects the app applications to AI model for data processing. This combination of these technologies makes the system more efficient and stable. Now we are going to head towards the working principle of the project. So, the step 1, the user enters the health related data into the application. Secondly, the input data is sent to the AI model for processing. The model processes, analyzes the pattern relationship between the parameters. Based on the analysis, the system predicts the approximate pH value. Then, lastly, the result is displayed instantly on the screen without any complications. Now let's begin the demonstration of the project. So here you can see we have to enter a body temperature, a blood pressure level, the glucose level, oxygen level and age group. Then we have to enter run analysis. Let us change the values and see the output analysis. So I'm now clicking on the run analysis. Here you can see it is alkaline. Body is alkaline with a high accuracy level of 90% as it is more than 7.45. Now here is the metabolic trend or the graph, the historic logic. Here you can see the minimum pH was 7 to 7.40, then maximum pH was 7.80 and the average is 7.50, which means the trend logic is rising. So now let us head towards the next page. It is the records. It keep our analysis records over here. And we have also developed a expert chat for processing for so that the user can ask it any questions if they have any doubt. For example, if I give it a question, it will answer me immediately. Now let us head towards the conclusion of our project. The AI-based human health pH monitoring smart system demonstrates how artificial intelligence and healthcare technology can work together to create a smart, fast, and non-invasive health monitoring solution. The project used psychological parameters to estimate the body pH and promote healthcare awareness. It is affordable, user-friendly, and has future scope for IoT, wearable devices, and real-time health monitoring systems. Thank you for your patient listening.